Want your Instagram Reels to look more professional? In this video, I'll show you how to turn on auto captions for Instagram Reels, so subtitles appear automatically on your videos. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, tap on the plus icon to create a new post. From the menu at the bottom, select Reel. Now you can either record a new video directly inside Instagram or upload an existing video from your gallery. After choosing your clip, continue editing your reel as usual. You can add music effects, stickers, filters, or text to make the video more engaging. Once your reel is ready, tap on Next. This will take you to the posting and sharing screen. Now scroll down a little and tap on More options. Inside this section, keep scrolling until you find Accessibility and Translations. Here you should see an option called Enable Closed Captions or Auto Captions. Turn the toggle switch on. Once enabled, Instagram will automatically generate subtitles based on the audio in your reel. This can help more people understand your content, especially users watching without sound or viewers who prefer captions. After enabling the option, tap the back arrow to return to the posting screen. Now you can finish adding your caption, hashtags, location, or tags before uploading the reel. Once everything looks good, tap on Share. Your reel will now be posted with automatically generated captions included. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.